You've been building your communication skills, tackling everything from listening actively to crafting clear and concise writing. Now it's time to apply those skills to the real world of business documents. Think of these documents as your tools for getting things done in the workplace. Whether you're trying to persuade a client, inform your colleagues, or document your progress, knowing how to use these tools effectively can make all the difference. Emails, your daily workhorse. Let's start with the most common business document, the email. Love them or hate them, emails are the lifeblood of modern communication. They're fast, convenient, and usually free. But they can also be a source of frustration and misunderstanding if not used correctly. Here are some tips for crafting an effective email. Clear subject line. This is your first impression. Tell the reader what the email is about upfront. Avoid vague subject lines like hi or update. Concise and focused. Get to the point quickly. People are busy. They do not have time to wade through long and rambling emails. Professional tone. Use a courteous and respectful tone, even if you're frustrated or upset. Avoid using all caps or excessive exclamation marks. Proofread. Before you hit send, take a moment to proofread for typos and grammatical errors. A poorly written email can make you look careless. Memos, internal announcements and updates. While emails are great for quick communication, memos are often used for more formal internal announcements, such as updates or policy changes. They need to be longer and more structured than emails. Here are some key elements of a well-written memo. Header. Header includes the date, recipient, sender, and subject. Introduction. Briefly summarize the purpose of the memo. Body. Provide details and supporting information. Conclusion. Summarize the key points and any action items. Reports. Documenting progress and findings. Reports come in all shapes and sizes, but they typically serve to document progress, findings, or recommendations. They can be both formal or informal, depending on the audience and purpose. Here are some tips for effective reports. Clear structure. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points to make the report easy to scan and digest. Executive summary. Provide a concise overview of the report's main findings and recommendations. Data and evidence. Support your conclusions with data, evidence, and examples. Visuals. Use charts, graphs, and other visuals to help illustrate your points. Proposals. Pitching your ideas and solutions. Proposals are persuasive documents to convince the reader to take a specific action, such as approving a project or approving funding for a project or hiring your company. Key elements of a successful proposal include problem statement. Clearly articulate the problem that you're trying to solve. Propose solutions. Explain your solutions in detail, outlining the steps involved and the resources required. Benefits. Highlight the benefits of your solution both for the reader and for the wider organization. Cost and timeline. Provide a realistic estimate of cost and timeline for implementing your solutions. The right tool for the right job. As you can see, each type of business document has its own unique purpose and style. The key is to choose the right tool for the right job and tailor your writing to the specific audience and context.